I adopted a child and his first word left me in shock. I've always wanted to be a mother, so when I adopted Leo, I felt like my life was complete. He was a quiet 3-year-old with big, curious eyes. He didn't talk much, but his smile lit up the house. The doctor said it would take him a while to speak due to everything he had been through before coming to me, so I wasn't worried. I just wanted to give him love and a safe home. Months went by, and every day I tried to teach him new words. Mom, water, toy, but he would only look at me in silence. Until one night, as I was putting him to bed, he took my hand, stared at me, and whispered his first word. Kill them. I froze. What did you say, sweetheart? I asked with a tense smile, thinking I had misheard. But he just repeated, kill them. They're coming. A chill ran down my spine. Who's coming, Leo? He pointed to the bedroom door. I turned slowly, and in the darkness of the hallway, I saw a shadow move. My heart stopped. I picked Leo up and rushed to turn on the light. There was no one there. From that night on, he started speaking more, but he always mentioned them. He said to be careful and not let them in. I don't know who they are. I don't know what he saw in his past life, but since then, every night I lock all the doors, and I pray that they never find us.